In the dark corners of our mouths, a hidden war rages on. Our teeth, seemingly solid and unyielding, are constantly attacked by an invisible enemy, germs. But why do these tiny, relentless creatures target our teeth? That it all starts with a sticky film called plaque. When we consume foods and beverages, especially those high in sugars and carbohydrates, a thin layer of plaque forms on our teeth. Germs, particularly harmful bacteria, thrive on sugars present in our food. They feast on these sugars, converting them into acids that eat away at our tooth enamel, the protective outer layer of our teeth. As the acids erode the enamel, tiny pits and holes form, making it easier for the germs to penetrate deeper into the tooth structure. Once inside, the germs attack the dentin, the softer layer beneath the enamel. This is where the battle intensifies. As the germs continue their assault, the dentin weakens, causing the formation of cavities. Left unchecked, these cavities can grow larger and deeper, reaching the sensitive pulp chamber at the tooth's core. Inside the pulp chamber lies a network of nerves and blood vessels. And when the germs reach this critical area, the pain sets in, often leading to excruciating toothaches. But the story doesn't end there. If the germs continue their invasion, they can enter the root canal, infecting the tooth's roots and surrounding tissues. This infection can spread, causing abscesses, bone loss, and even systemic health issues if left untreated. The good news is that we have the power to defend our teeth against these relentless germs. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups can help keep plaque at bay and protect our precious teeth from this invisible threat. So remember, the battle against germs attacking our teeth is fought daily in our oral care routine. Stay vigilant, and together, we can win the war for a healthy, radiant smile. Until next time, keep smiling and keep those germs at bay. If this video is beneficial for you, then hit the like button, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this.